Introducing the 2024 Lincoln Corsair. This refined and capable Corsair delivers sumptuous passenger luxury, while its suite of tech-savvy amenities keep you safe, informed, and entertained. This well-appointed SUV lets you manage your busy life in upscale style. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: intelligent auto on-off high beams, pre-collision system, lane departure warning, keyless entry, navigation system, 4-cylinder engine, power liftgate, lane keeping assist, remote engine start, power passenger seat. Relax and enjoy the journey like never before when you're at the wheel of this remarkable Corsair. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.